Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ARAH. Today we are going to be trying out this Creme of Nature clay mask, okay? So it did a lot of good things for my hair and I cannot wait to share this video with y'all. But okay guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video, and please turn on your post notifications so every time I post a new video you will be notified. Thank you.
Shout out to all my new subscribers.
I am so thankful and grateful for y'all, and there's more content coming on, so we're gonna get into the video. So right here, I'm just going to fast forward through the whole process of me taking down my hair. If you want to know how I achieved this hairstyle, please be sure to check out my previous video. I will leave the link in the description box. So we are back with my hair, and so this is what my hair looks like. I went to bed last night and I did not do the mask, so today we're gonna do the mask. This is what my hair looks like from last night. So it's crazy. So we're gonna do this mask today. So this is a Creme of Nature clay and charcoal mask. It is a pre-poo detoxifying clay mask. So I'm going to use this today to kind of detox my hair, because you know, after a protective style, like, your hair is just, well, my hair is dirty. It needs to be moisturized, and there's a whole bunch of stuff going on right now with my hair. So okay, so I have my gloves, so I'm gonna put on my gloves. And we're gonna get right into it, like, you know. This is my first time trying out this clay mask, so we're gonna see how it goes on my 4B, 4C, 4A hair, whatever. It smells just like the Creme of Nature stuff. So I'm gonna part my hair in 4 sections. And the best way to do this mask is on dry hair. So my hair is perfectly dry right now. Yesterday it was a little wet because I worked out, but it's dry now. So this is kind of like the consistency of the mask. So I'm just gonna take it and apply it on my hair. It smells amazing. Like, if you have ever used Creme of Nature anything, you already know how this is smelling right now. Like, it smells so good. And yeah. So the reason why I got this pre-poo is because it cleanses your hair, it infuses it with deep moisture, it reduces touchable softness, it's rich in minerals, it detoxifies your hair, which I need that for real, because my hair is so dirty. Like, I need that. guys, so I'm done with the back section. I'm gonna go ahead and do the front. So as you can see, I did not detangle my hair last night because this product is supposed to detangle your hair, cleanse it, and all the good stuff that it says. So I didn't detangle my hair, and plus I hate detangling my hair when it's dry. It's miserable. Like, I am miserable through the whole process. So I'm gonna continue applying this product on my hair like so. This is my first time doing a clay mask. I have honestly never done one, but I've always seen them online. But I was like, I don't feel like mixing all of that. Like, you know, these girls out here really be mixing stuff, and yeah, like I'm just not the one to do all of that, you know what I'm saying? So I just never mix anything. Like, I like mixing lotions, like my oils and stuff, but my hair stuff, I don't like mixing that. So my hair is kind of tender, and I suggest that you do this like after you take down your hair, because my hair was a little bit tender yesterday and sore from me taking out my hair, because you know, I've had those braids for 6 weeks, I think, and it was time for them to go, honey. So I'll probably end up using this whole product, but I hope not. I will go ahead and leave this out in the description box so y'all can check that out. I don't want to hear say, I don't want to hear say you there with another. So just make sure you work it in. You work it in. So guys, I am all done. So you just make sure that you work that in, and I am having shedding, obviously. I just took off a protective style, so I do have some shedding going on, but it's not a whole lot, okay? So I'm gonna mix this up real good. This is kind of like a relaxer. It reminds me of a relaxer, you know? But make sure you get them edges, girls. Get them edges, because we want them edges to be laid. So make sure you take care of your edges, and especially make sure you work the products in your roots. It's kind of defining my curls or whatever, but we won't see, because it's also supposed to, I think it says that it's supposed to remove product buildup. Yeah, so we're just gonna put this on our hair, and I'm gonna go get a shower cap, and I will be right by my shower cap. So I'll see y'all in 10 minutes. So I am about to go wash my hair, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is just what the mask did to my curls. Keep in mind that I have not shampooed or conditioned my hair. Like, I am amazed, y'all. Amazed. No shampoo, no conditioner, nothing. Just rinsing out the mask. I am right now about to go wash and shampoo my hair. If you want to see my wash day routine, please make sure you let me know in the comment section below, and I will do that for you guys. Okay guys, so the Creme of Nature pre-poo clay mask was amazing. Keep in mind that this is a pre-poo, so I didn't detangle my hair. I did not shampoo it. I did not condition it. This is the only thing I used on my hair, and it was amazing. Like, I loved it. The container is almost It's almost out. If I have to use this again, I probably have to get another one because this is not gonna be enough. But yeah, so this video was no way sponsored. This was my hard-earned money that I bought these products with, and yeah, I loved it though. It was really good. Did its job. If you don't like to mix, this is for you.